What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a haul, but not a fashion haul. I haven't done a beauty haul in so long. So I went to Harmon's Face Values today and I bought a lot of shit. Like, this is a long fucking receipt. Yeah, I'm just gonna go through everything I got because when I buy shit, I have to show you. Otherwise, what was the point of buying it, right? Like, get a video out of it. Duh, that's what we do. Also, I did a ponytail today. And I don't know, I put some weave in it. I don't really know. I'm not very good at hair, but if I did it, it's a thing, whatever. Also, you know it's summer when Ashley breaks out the lower blue lash line. I swear to God, the people upstairs hate me. I got like a mix of like makeup, hair stuff, body stuff, and like house stuff. So it's just a big jumble of shit. So I'm just gonna reach in the bag and pull out whatever comes out. So the first thing I have here is the As I Am Coconut Co-Wash. I used to buy this at Sally's years ago. Like, I want to say when I was like 19 or 20, I used to use this instead of shampoo, and my hair like it got so healthy when I was doing that. So I wanted to try it again for summer. So I got this, and it's basically just a product that you use in place of shampoo, but it's like a conditioner. So co-wash stands for condition washing. So your hair isn't like stripped of its natural oils like shampoo usually does. Sulfate-free shampoo is a better option for that, but this is like completely neutral and isn't going to strip your hair, but it is going to clean it, and I actually really like it. So I picked this up because I saw it and I was like, you know what, I should try that again. I got a lot of lashes while I was there, so I'm just gonna keep pulling out like random lashes. These are the Kiss blowout lash, and I got them in the style Pompadour. They're really pretty, like flirty, kind of flared out at the end, wispy lash. But I saw these blowout lashes from Kiss, like I saw the line release, and I was like, oh my God, I need those in my life. And all of the lashes in my lash drawer are like dying, like I've used them too many times or something. So I picked up these and a million other ones. I also picked up these. These are the Ardell Faux Mink Wispies in Demi Wispy. We all love the Demi Wispies, but these are like a little bit more hairy looking. I don't know if that makes sense. So they're the same style as the original Demi Wispies, but they look like mink hairs, which makes them like a little bit more like luxe looking. So I wanted to try those out. Oh, this is such a random little purchase I got. I got a little mini expert face brush just to keep in my purse to like do touch-ups, especially since it's the summer. You know, your girl has some issues with some upper lip sweat. So whenever I go outside, whenever I sweat, this part of my face, all the makeup is gone. So I got this to keep in my purse with like a makeup powder or maybe even a concealer just to touch that up because, oh my God, it's so embarrassing sometimes. The next thing I got is a product probably none of you have ever heard of unless you're like Dominican or live in Sunset Park, Brooklyn. But this is the Silicone Mix hair treatment. This is basically just a Dominican hair treatment that I know everybody swears by. It's just, I mean, it's all silicone. Like, it's a lot of fucking silicone in this, and I know that's not necessarily good for your hair, but this shit works wonders. I've used this like on and off my entire life, and I saw it at Face Values, and I was like, first of all, how does Face Values know about this? But also, I'm getting it. Oh my God. It literally smells like my childhood. It smells like my mom slapping me in the head with a brush. Because I'm not sitting still while she does my hair. Okay, the next thing I got are some bobby pins in gold color to match my blonde hair. I actually already used a few of them in my hair today. So yeah, it's like crazy how fast I lose bobby pins. I don't know where they go. I really just don't. And then Meech finds them everywhere and he gets pissed, but I don't know where they are. Okay, this is random. I'm just showing you so I can like put it down so I have more room on my table. But I got 2 packs of these tissue boxes. Well, 2 4-packs of these tissue boxes just for around the house. I just needed them because we have like no tissues and I'm always using up the paper towels, and I'm like, but I don't need a whole paper towel. I just need a tissue right now. So, and I got these. I was gonna get the other brand, but these were like 10 cents cheaper, and also like they match the colors that our apartment are, like the pink and the blue and white. I hate buying tissues that like don't match my apartment. That's like weird, and people probably don't care about it, but I care about it. They need to like match my decor. Okay, the next thing I got is this Betty Dane Creations standard size satin pillowcase. I've heard a lot about using silk or satin pillowcases to protect your hair while you sleep, and I do feel like every day when I wake up, my hair seems like a little like matted and like mangled, obviously because I sleep like a maniac, but it just feels like dried out, and I think it's because of the pillowcase, because my pillowcases are just like normal cotton. So I got this to see if it makes a difference in the damage of my hair. And then I got these little tiny rubber band things, just like, you know, these little tiny rubber bands for like when I do braids, because whenever I don't braid my hair that often, but when I do, I never have like a hair tie that's small enough for the ends, so it's super annoying. Also, I have gum in my mouth. If that bothers you, I'm sorry, but it's there. Okay, I got this because it was on clearance and that made me sad, but also because I used to love it. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous False Fiber Lashes Mascara. Oh my god, this came out when I was 19 and I was obsessed with it. And I remember my lashes just being so bomb back then. And I never wore falsies, I never felt like I needed them, so I just wanted that again, so I got this. Hopefully it works just as good as it used to because I was fucking in love with this stuff. How do I remember that I was 19? I don't know. Oh, this I already opened. These are like those little face razors that you use for like your brows, or in my case, my mustache. And my mustache was really, I said it in my last video, it was really peeking out. So I just took care of that before I did my makeup. That's why it's already open. There was a third pink one in here and it's now at my vanity. Okay, another pair of lashes. This is just a twin pack of the classic Ardell Wispies. I always have these on hand. I use them on clients a lot, and then sometimes when I want like lashes that aren't like too dramatic, I use these on myself, and they're just great. I need to have them at all times. Oh, another, you know, little hair purchase. I don't know where any of my hair ties are, and the ones that I can find are like stretched out and crazy. So I just got a pack of hair ties. I was trying to find a pack that was all the blonde color, but for some reason they didn't have that, which is so stupid. Like, there are blondes in the world, please just give me, I'm not gonna eat pink. I don't know. It's annoying, but whatever. Another pair of lashes. These are another pair of the Faux Minx, and this is in the shade, the number 814, and they're like a little bit flared out at the end. They're a little bit more minky looking, like spaced out and like wispy, which I love. So I'm hyped about these. I should have put them on today. And then I got these lashes from e.l.f. because they kind of looked mink if you look at them, don't they? And these are the Winged and Polished Luxe Lash Kit. These were $4, which like for any pair of lashes is a little bit pricey. Not pricey, but like for e.l.f., I don't know, I thought they would be a little bit cheaper, but they are really nice. So okay, the next thing I got is this Real Techniques Miracle Face and Body Sponge. This is like a huge version of their regular like makeup sponge, but I saw Raquel, my best friend Raquel, use this for her foundation. I was like, oh my god, that is fucking huge. What is that? She was like, oh, it's the Real Techniques. I was like, dude, I don't think you got the right one. But I actually really loved the idea of having a ginormous beauty blender or a ginormous beauty sponge to just get your foundation on so quickly. So I got it, and I'm really excited about it. I'm gonna use it tomorrow and see how I like getting my foundation on in like 4 seconds, because this thing is fucking huge. I told you guys in my last video, my new favorite trend for summer, it's not even like a new trend, is just like wet, juicy, glossy lips. So this is the only like juicy, glossy, like lip gloss I found at Harmon's for some reason, like clear gloss, and it's the e.l.f. lip lacquer in clear. I actually want to like swatch it now. Oh, got it on my nose. Whatever, a little extra highlight. That is shiny. It's a clear gloss. Why am I showing? It is super shiny. Let's put it on. Ooh, I like that. Make me greasy, bitch. I'm really just trying to live my greasiest lip life this summer. Okay, so the next thing I have here is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Everybody and their mama talks about this, and I was like, I need it, and it was also on sale. It was like $2 off, which Physicians Formula is kind of pricey, especially when you live in New York. So I'll take that $2, girl. I'm gonna touch it. I'm not sure if it's powder or cream. Oh, it's just a really creamy powder. Okay, I just realized I bought 2 mascaras. This is the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect. I got this in a goodie bag like 2 years ago, and I freaking loved it, but mine obviously dried out because it was 2 years ago, so I just bought another one. This is a really great, really affordable mascara. I think it's like $4, and it's fucking bomb. Like, this is a great mascara. Like, you guys need it. The next thing I got is this Jergens Wet Skin Moisturizer. This is the Refreshing Coconut Oil scent. I got like the bigger size because me and Meech used this in the shower and we just needed a new one. So I saw that they had a bigger size and I got it. But yeah, we love this wet skin moisturizer for in the shower because it just makes putting on lotion a lot easier, because I don't know about you, but I'm so lazy after I get out of the shower. I do not want to look at lotion. Like, it's just like the weirdest, grossest feeling to like make yourself sticky after you got out of the shower. Ugh. Okay, the next thing I got is a brow gel. I'm just like running out of all of my brow gels, so I got a new one, even though there's like 40 different like almost done ones in my drawer. I need to chuck those and just use this one. But this is the Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara. I did somebody's makeup. I can't remember whose makeup I did, but they had this and they were like, oh my god, my brow gel is gross. And I was like, okay, but I need to use it right now because I don't have one for you. Who was that? Okay, the next thing I got is also from Essence. This is the Metal Shock eyeshadow. Oh my god, this is so pretty. In the shade Seconds to Mars, and it's like a really gorgeous like peachy gold. I don't know how this formula is gonna be, but I saw this shade and I needed it in my life. Isn't that so oh my god, I almost want to use it as a highlight or a lip gloss. Oh, That, ooh, I'm hype about this. This is gonna be such a pretty color for summer. Okay, I got a lot of Essence stuff. I didn't realize. Okay, this is the Essence I Love Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Base. I know everybody talks about the I Love or I Heart Stage eyeshadow base, but I don't know. It looked really dark in the store, so I got this one just because it looked lighter. It looked like it would fit my skin tone more. I think, yeah, this is the last pair of lashes I bought. This is the Ardell Faux Mink number 812. I saw the Ardell Faux Mink line and I just needed kind of all of them. So I got these. These aren't like flared out at the end at all. These are more like longer towards the center, which I really like. Some of my favorite lashes are the Cocoa Risque lashes, and they have that effect, but they're more chunky. And I don't know, these just kind of reminded me of them, so I wanted to give them a try. They might be faux mink, but they really do look mink. That's amazing. Okay, then I got this Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Relaxing Balm. So basically this is a balm that you put in your hair before you blow it out, and it's supposed to protect from heat and also speeds up dry time, and then also make it like shiny and smooth and all that. I was using a L'Oreal like blow dry spray that cuts your dry time in half, and I realized when I ran out of it that that shit actually worked. Like the last time I blew out my hair, I didn't have it to use, and it took me so much longer. Like my hair was like so much more wet when I blew it out. So I was like, oh my God, I cannot live without something that like cuts the dry time. But I didn't like the spray because it was a little like greasy in feeling. So I wanted to get something that was more like lotiony, you know? So I got this and we'll see how it is. It's kind of like serum feeling. Oh, it smells delicious. And this is a pretty big bottle. I wonder how much I'm supposed to use. Okay, and then speaking of hair products, I got this Carol's Daughter Hair Balm Nourishing Liquid Pomade. Basically, I don't know why did I get this? I got this because I use hair oils a lot on my hair, but sometimes it makes them greasy or it doesn't really do anything to it because my hair is very, very, very dry. Like the ends are, you could put pounds of oil in it and my ends would still not be like greasy. So I got this because it says it absorbs quickly, and I think it's just gonna be a little bit more, yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. So yeah, it literally feels like grease, but honestly for my ends, that's exactly what I need. So I'm hype about it. And always trust Carol's Daughter for curly hair, natural hair. Good brand. And this has coconut, sweet almond, and beeswax in it. Well, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, and beeswax. So yeah, this shit is gonna be, if you don't have textured hair, do not use this. It's gonna make you look like a greasy old mess. But if you do have super textured, damaged hair, I feel like that's gonna be good. But I will update you on that because it might be trash. Okay, I only have 3 things left. This is the Stay Matte But Not Flat powder from NYX. Why did I draw a blank there? I basically got it because I got this little mini brush and I was like, oh, I need like a purse powder. So this is my purse powder. I can justify any fucking purchase. And then the last 2 things I got are from that brand JCat, and this is a recommendation from Tati or Glam Life Guru. These are the Prismetal Chrome Eye Mousses, and she talked about them being on Amazon, and I looked at them on Amazon and I didn't buy them for some reason. But then when I saw them in the store, they were actually like one of the first products I saw when I walked in. I was like, oh hell yeah. So I got this one in the shade Chrome Galaxy, and that is really like a mousse. It feels kind of like, do you remember the Stila Magnificent Metals before they were in the liquid like tube form? They were in like a pot like this. It feels like that, but less chunky. Oh my God, do you see that? It's right here. That is so pretty, and that was like the lightest swatch. It looks exactly like that other liquid shadow I got. I obviously have a preference for shade. They kind of feel like a paste, but they're cool. I'm really looking forward to using these. And then I got this shade, which is Holography Types. It's cute. And it's like this white kind of holographic shade. So that's it right here. It's kind of like a white with like holographic like purple and blue and pink pearl in it. But these are really, really cool, this texture. I'm interested to see how long they last on the eyes and stuff, but I had to pick them up. If Tati says it's good, then you know it's good because she is a queen. Okay, and then the last thing I got is the Fake Bake Flawless Self-Tan Liquid and Professional Mitt. I heard Mallory talk about this. Mallory1712, I think that's her. I think those are the numbers. Or is it 1217? I can't remember. Those are the numbers from my birthday. How don't I remember that? But I heard her saying, I don't remember if it was on Instagram or one of her videos, that she used another self-tanner and it was trash, so she went back to Fake Bake. So when I was in the store, it was like an end cap on the aisle, and I was like, oh, Fake Bake. isn't that supposed to be like good? So I use it today. I don't know if I look any tanner. I look pretty white right now. But it says to like use it every night to like build up the level of tan you want. It was so easy to do. It did come with the mitt and I used it. You just spray it on the mitt and then you rub it on your body and you're good. I didn't even need Meech's help to get my back. I don't know what kind of gymnast I am, but you know, I got it. Unless my back is just streaky as fuck. I don't know. But I've really never self-tanned ever, so this is really easy for a beginner, and I will let you know how I like the tan. My elbows aren't really orange. I do feel like I'm a little bit darker. I put this on like 3 hours ago now, and it says not shower up until like 6 hours. So I guess that's the time that it takes to develop. Yeah, actually I do have some color now that I'm looking at myself, but there's no like weird tanner hands or anything like that because they give you gloves to put on when you apply it so it doesn't get on your hands. But yeah, I got this and so far I'm into it. But yeah, you guys, that is it for this haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I know my past like 5 videos have been beauty videos, but I don't know, I've just been in a beauty mood lately. I hope you guys don't mind it. If you have other videos ideas for me to do, then go ahead and leave them in the comments. I'm always open to suggestions. I actually was talking to Meech the other day because I've been doing this like full time for like 6 months now, and he was like, have you thought about like reevaluating or like how you've been doing, or you want to change things up? And so I started thinking about it and I was like, you know what, I should hit up like all of my most loyal followers and like all of my subscribers that I know like watch and comment and like every video. So if you guys feel like you're one of those people, which I feel like if you're actually watching until the end you probably are one of those people, then go ahead and look in the description box. My email will be there, and hit me up with an email because I don't know how to find you guys' emails. I tried to like message you on YouTube, but I feel like nobody's really gonna look at those. So if you are a loyal follower of mine and you do want to give me your input on like how I can improve my channel and what videos you want to see from me and all that kind of stuff, hit me up in my email. It will be in the description. Just send me a message and be like, hey, it's whoever you mentioned in your video that you want some feedback, like whatever, and then I will hit you guys back with some questions and stuff like that. And yeah, but yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure that if you did, you give it a big thumbs up. If you're new here, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you head on out. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.